Alright guys, we are finally back. This is about 2 weeks after we took that first clip of us going to see that bike that was completely barely holding together. I went and saw another one, and that was a 2008 Gixxer 600RR. I believe it was a 08 or 06. And so the guy had issues with the title, so I was waiting for him to get it registered in his name. So he was supposed to reply to me. Nothing happened. I looked on the post. About a week later, boom, it's already sold. So guess what? Yep, I think I did a thing. I went and test rode just now another bike from my buddy. So I believe this one's a lot more reliable. And I've just been really long figuring it out. If I actually wanted a bike like this, it might get me a lot in trouble. This is a bike where I've wanted to learn the wheelie on. So hopefully I made the right choice, because we did purchase it and we will be getting delivery of it tonight or in the morning after we get off of work. So that's going to be very, very exciting. Great price. It has a little rough area, so we're gonna have to swap out some things, swap out some plastics, and I have a really cool design hopefully for it, for the graphics. It's gonna be very exciting. So finally driving back. He lives quite a bit of ways from me, so very excited. Hope you guys are too. By the end of this video, I'm gonna shoot you guys a clip of this new bike that we finally picked up and made a choice, because I was deciding between it and a 2019 CBR 600RR. I found a guy that was actually selling it for $9 grand or $9,500. I talked him down to $9,000, and he said he would be willing maybe to do financing, which I had already the money, but I was gonna try to just go ahead and finance it, just so I'd have some money left over to do some mods to it. We'll see. But it turned out that he was waiting to figure out if he could do the financing, never replied. So I just went and made this new choice to make the purchase of this new bike that is coming up now. Alright guys, we have finally taken delivery of the motorcycle. Finally got it. Here it is. Let's go ahead and not waste any more of your time and show you what it is. Here we go. This is a 2006 Supermoto DRZ400. I've always really wanted one. Thought they were just way too high for me because I'm such a short guy. I believe I'm like 5'6", something like that. It's been a while since I've measured my height, but there she sits. Just got it brought over here. Looks beautiful. Do need to do a little bit of things on it just to fix it up. Quite a bit of scratches on here and there, but that's nothing we can handle. So let's go ahead and jump in to get her home. All right, so we just got it home finally. Guy threw us brand new fresh tire for the rear, so that's gonna be pretty sweet. Got a lowering arm for the back as well, just in case if I need to drop it a little bit more, since I am a little bit shorter than he is. But I went to test ride it and wasn't too bad. So this is the setup I have right now, since I don't have a ramp to get it off of the truck. I have it where it comes off this little step here, and then I should be able to just roll it off right here and go around and push it onto the driveway. So let's go ahead and try to see if we can get this off.
be the first person I ever drove in our whole family. Well, I did drive Dad one time on that cruiser before I sold it, but yeah, you're like the first one. So like this is a little bit different. It's like dirt bike style, so you don't have a fuel gauge here, so you have to know how much fuel you got or whatever. It'll last you all day or whatever, but all right. One sec. Careful. That is hot, okay?
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that is going to be a wrap up for this video. I'll do a bigger and better video a little bit later. Just don't have the time at the moment, but this is her. It's pretty exciting. I was actually able to go ahead and get her registered the same day that I actually got the bike. So it's looking pretty sweet. Very happy with this purchase. As you saw this little clip, I went ahead and took her for a test ride. I actually drove it with my sister on the back, so that was kind of sketchy for me, trying to, you know, figure out how to ride with two people on there, because already it's a heavy bike, but turns out it's not as tall as it I guess as I assumed it would be, since a lot of people say that it's for tall people. Well, with these Supermoto wheels and tires, it dropped the bike quite a bit. Plus I have a lower link, so I'll be able to put that on, make it a little bit lower, but I think the height right now is pretty perfect. I'm definitely happy with how it is. I'm definitely thinking of replacing all these plastics and going with like all white and a custom maybe graphics kit. Please let me know down in the description where I can actually get the graphics. I've never went and purchased anything like that. I want to do something custom, and I would love to make it all personalized. So let me know. Definitely bike needs a little bit of work, a little bit of love, cleaning up, new chain, probably new sprocket, things like that, new filter. But it just had an oil change, so it should be okay to ride for quite some time. But yeah. All right, so I'm gonna sign out now. Stay tuned for more videos like this one. Gonna be plenty more. Definitely gonna be a lot of things around with these beasts. So catch you guys in the next one.